one information here for red flags when you're out looking at used cars. When you start to see the rims getting completely brown around here, then you should start to understand something is not right. Here the brakes are shot. A lot of brake dust, things are hanging up. Even on the wheel is filled up with dust. So one of the red flags that you have to look out for. You know right away something's wrong. See on this, it's actually very expensive Hakkapeliitta SUV tires. I put on stands under here. See all the side here, and I start to take the rust. I have to start there. I ordered brake parts from USA. I think this is for the front. But are they big enough? Yeah, we have to see. I have to start to take off the calipers and things like that. First I have to get in here. It's supposed to be this side that the brake pads are worn out. Steel against steel, they say. A typical Toyota product is for opening up here is 14mm on the calipers. Take a longer one. There. That one is loose. Take a one under. Of course, very dirty. There. Two 14mm bolts. To also talk about this one was metallic against metallic. Had right. On the inside, it's absolutely metallic against metal. This one is completely shot. This one is completely good. So something is not moving as it should. This glider is moving. This one is more or less stuck. So I need to clean out that. Yeah, normally now it should have been just change out this and things, but see, this system are so screwed up. So I just have to get this one moving again, and it's easier to take it in. So let's see if I have 17mm to take it out completely. Yeah. I've taken in the caliper bracket. You see the slide there? That's supposed to move with the caliper. It's okay here. This one is stuck completely. So I have to get it loose. and that is going to be a big problem. So I just have to try different things here now and see. Maybe I can push it in here, maybe I can loosen the hole. Heck. Yeah, I have to see if I can find some oil to try to lubricate it, that it maybe could start loosening up over days. I don't want to ruin and have to buy more parts because the rubber seems to be okay. And just ruin it completely. I have to try to get it open a little so I can get in some oil. I was hoping to save this rubber seal. This is going to be difficult, I understand that. Don't think I'm going to get that one to move for a very long time. While I wait for that, maybe I can start cleaning out and changing this. Because it's no point using these old ones. When I got the brake pads come with new things like this. Then I just can, those are going completely over. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Then I just have to try to clean up shit in the areas here. Yeah, finally I have been able to get out this slider, and when I was doing that, the whole system here broke to pieces. I have found one other, it's not for this car, but it looks to be working. So I'm trying to put things together. I'm going to order a new pin with the right version and everything here, so it's going to be better. But just to put it down and to be able to put the front of the car back on the back down, then I'm putting this together and we go over and fix it one more time later. Supposed to go in here now. But first we have to put in grease, and then I bought fat made for putting in brakes. So I just fill up a little more. Put this whole system on. Next part is putting on the pads. Here we have to It's going too far. See, it's slacking, going up fast. Yeah, take the next one. Problem with this brake was one side was completely ruined. See, here was going completely metallic. So that was, of course, not usable. There. Now it's put together, new parts here, new there. You have to see. This is moving as it should, but I'm going to get a new one because it's jump out maybe a little too easy. so it's not the right size. But just to be able to move the car, set it down on the wheels again. I can get a new slider pin with a new rubber seal. The slider pin is okay, but the rubber seal is not perfect. Yeah, back out in the garage. Taken out the brake parts after I get the slider to slide. That's a good point. The slider need to slide. So the brake shoes was completely wasted on this side. Now I hope I have put on everything on the right side here. Now it's only to get the 17mm bolts and 14mm after back in place to get this brake as it should. So I had to get some copper grease on the screws first. I was sitting editing the video yesterday evening, and then I said that I was missing some clips, because I put back the brake system on this side, and I think I was making video of it, but I can't find the files. It's the two 17mm screws in the back that I use copper grease, copper pasta on the screws to get them up. Also the two 14mm on the caliper. So that one is back. And when I was looking at that, I was thinking, what about the other side? So I was taking off here. And here on this side, you see the upper is moving. Down here, like on the other side, it's not moving at all. So I have to take off this side and fix the slider in here. The slider up here I can take and oil it. It's moving, but I need to fix this too. So that was right before it's starting to get big problem on this side too. So just have to order more parts there, but at least now I have the video of what I was doing on the first side. I'm going to do the same here. When on the MOT control, it was only on the left hand side, so it's going to be okay. Yeah, the brake there, and then I have to look at the wheel bearing on the back, and then the brake pipes, and also start working on brake pipe problems on the Land Cruiser, because I need to move that one to a repair place. I need to use my time to fix some other things now. I need to seriously try to find a way to build a garage, because I need to get in some more other project in. I can't go winter by winter without that. So, but please, if you find something useful on the video, please put a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. Yeah, and please put comments. That's very welcome, even if you say and do something wrong, because then I learn too. So thank you. Welcome back.